Look at this ECG. At the beginning of the QRS complex, we can see a small slurring or a slope-like appearance, and this is known as the delta wave. The QRS is broad, and look at the PR interval. The PR interval is very short. A short PR interval, broad QRS complex with the presence of a delta wave. This is an ECG of Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome, or simply known as WPW syndrome. This is a type of AVRT. That means there is an accessory pathway between the atria and ventricle, and this is known as the bundle of Kent. Then how these ECG features are formed? Normally, the PR interval is indicating that the normal delay because of AV node is holding the impulse for some time. But here, the impulses from the atria reaches the ventricle through this accessory pathway immediately, and that causes an early activation of the ventricular myocardium. This is known as a pre-excitation. So due to that, immediately after the P wave, the QRS complex will appear. So due to that, the PR interval become very short. And due to this pre-excitation, there will be a slurring or a slope-like appearance in the beginning portion of the QRS complex, and this is known as the delta wave. Due to the presence of the delta wave, the QRS will appear as broad. So other than these findings, you can also expect some ST and T wave changes. In many cases, the WPW syndrome will present as a pseudo-infarction pattern. I will explain that in the later video.